Welcome back once again. Let us discuss the important question in science in chemistry branch. As you can see here in serial number 1, the common name is given, that is ethyl alcohol, and the structural formula is mentioned, that is CS3CS2OH, and you are supposed to write IUPAC name. The name according to the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. सो IUPAC नेम कैसे लिखेंगे, स्टेप बाय स्टेप डिस्कस करते। सो फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या है? फर्स्ट स्टेप आपको काउंट करना है नंबर ऑफ कार्बन आइटम दैट इज गिवन इन दिस पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला। सो हाउ मेनी कार्बन आइटम्स आर देयर? 1 2, देयर आर 2 कार्बन आइटम्स आर देयर। Okay, so for 2 carbon items, see I have mentioned here, for 2 carbon items we can write the corresponding alkane as ethane. For 2 carbon atom we can write as corresponding alkane as ethane. So here I will write for serial number 1, corresponding alkane will become ethane, ETHANE. Now here you can see OH group is attached here. So this OH group is nothing but the functional group. Okay, now you can see alcohol, this OH is known as alcoholic group, or we can say alcohol group. Okay, so we have to replace this E by using the suffix OL. Now why OL? Because alcohol group is present. So the IUPAC name will become here, we will write as ETHAN, then we will write suffix as OL. So the IUPAC name will become ethanol. IUPAC name होगा ethanol. There are 2 कार्बन आइटम्स, तो 2 कार्बन आइटम्स के लिए आपको करस्पॉन्डिंग अल्केन क्या लिखना है? इथेन। इथेन लिखना है और ई को रिप्लेस करना है बाय यूजिंग द सफिक्स OL. OL क्यों? व्हाट इज द रीजन? यहाँ पे OL क्यों यूज कर रहे हो आप एज अ सफिक्स? बिकॉज OH फंक्शनल ग्रुप यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है. सो OH फंक्शनल ग्रुप किसके लिए है? दैट इज फॉर अल्कोहल. सो विल यूज सफिक्स एज OL. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट वन, that is second one. Now here common name is given acetaldehyde, then we have the IUPAC name here ethanol. Ethanol is given, so we'll write the structural formula. Okay, so we'll write ethanol first of all. In the first one, first serial number we'll mention here what is the IUPAC name here. You'll write as ethanol OL. So this is your ethanol. The next one, the second one, we have acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is given common name. In the structural formula we have to write, an IUPAC name is given ethanol. Okay, so we'll start with the, see, for ethanol means there are 2 carbon atoms. Ethanol, so here you can see ethane, corresponding alkane is here ethane, so 2 carbon atoms. And what is the functional group here? Al, ending with Al, which means we have functional group that is your aldehyde. So we can write aldehyde functional group as, we can write as CHO, and one we will write as 1 methyl group here because there are 2 carbon atoms. So here the structural formula will become CH3 then CHO. If you write as C double bond OH, that is also correct. So here for functional group aldehyde we will write as suffix Al. So here Al is used. So we will write the functional group CHO and 1 methyl group because there are 2 carbon atoms. So here ethanol, this is ethanol. And the third one, so here this will become, for second one we'll write as the structural formula CH3CHO, or we can write CH3 C double bond O 1 hydrogen atom. Let us move to the next one, third one. Now here the common name is given acetone and structural formula is given CH3COCH3, and you're supposed to write IUPAC name. Okay, now you can see, so let us start with the first step. That is, first step is count the number of carbon atoms. So 1 2 3, there are total 3 carbon atoms. So total 3 carbon atoms है तो corresponding alkane क्या है? प्रोपेन. अगर 4 carbon atoms होगा तो you'll write as corresponding alkane क्या होगा? ब्यूटेन. और 5 कार्बन आइटम्स है तो पेंटेन। सो हम क्या करते हैं, पहले आप लिखते हैं यहाँ पे, दैट इज योर करस्पॉन्डिंग अल्केन विल बिकम हियर प्रोपेन, corresponding alkane will be propane, and you can see the functional group is CO. CO means nothing but that is for ketone, that is ketonic functional group is there. So यहाँ पे suffix क्या use करना पड़ेगा, ONE. All right, so we'll write as, so here E will be replaced by ONE, and we will indicate the position of the ketonic group also. So first we'll write PROPAN, then indicate the position of ketonic group, then we will write as suffix as ONE, that is propane 2,1. So correct IPC name will become here PROPAN, then indicate the position by using hyphen here, 2, then ONE. So this is the correct IPC name. So I hope this is very much clear. Now let us revise once again. In the first one you can see there are 2 carbon items, so corresponding alkane will be ethane. Ethane, replace E by the corresponding suffix, that is for alcohol, because here functional group is alcohol. So IPC name will become ethanol. So ETHAN, this is OL. So ethanol, this will become ethanol. All right, so you can write this is correct. If there is a confusion here, this is ethanol. Okay, then next one, for acetaldehyde we have to write the structural formula. The IPC name is given here. So in this IPC name, ethanol, so here suffix is given ending with the AL. So for suffix AL, the functional group is aldehyde, so we'll write CHO group. When one methyl group we will write, because there are 2 carbon items, as it is in IPC name you can see here is ethane, the corresponding alkane is ethane. So for ethane, 2 carbon items. The next one, third one, the common name is acetone, and the structural formula is given CH3COCH3. So how many carbon items are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon items. For 3 carbon items, the corresponding alkane is propane. We will write propane, and E will be replaced by ONE, that is ketonic, for ketonic group. This suffix is for ketonic group. So we'll write ONE and indicate the position of the, we have to indicate the position of the ketonic group, that is 2. I hope this is very much clear, and this is important topic for all the boards, that is in science and branch chemistry. So thank you very much. Have a great day.